move on to the 11th letter, and that is a calf, or some people write it with a PH, calf. Calf is a wide letter, and it's written with a starting out horizontally, and then it curves down and then curves back. So it's something like a semicircle that's pointing off to the left. And so there's a distinct curve at the top right and then a distinct curve at the bottom right. So that is calf. We need to be careful that we don't do it too narrow. If we do it too narrow, then it's going to begin to look like a noon, which we'll see as a later letter. So it's got to be wide, and it needs to have these nice distinct curves. The calf also has a final form. So when it comes at the end of a word, I'm going to put the top of the writing area and the bottom of the writing area. This is our typical top and bottom of our letters. The calf, the final calf, has a right angle at the top, and then it comes down below the line. Now, this looks a lot like a dalet. Remember, a dalet has that right angle, but it only comes down to the normal letter bottom. So usually the calf is written with what's called a silent schwa. It's two dots stacked vertically. So the final calf is written with this silent schwa, these two dots, unless another vowel appears there. Occasionally you can get another vowel, for instance, a comets showing up there. But if a vowel is there, then it's at the end of a word, then it's pretty clear that it's a calf. But that symbol is put there, this silent schwa, so that we can distinguish the final calf from a dalet, because otherwise they look a lot alike. The only difference being is that the final calf extends below the line. Now, in terms of pronunciation, the calf can have a difference depending on the grammar, depending on whether it has a dagesh or not. So a calf with a dagesh is a K sound, as in keep. A calf without a dagesh, some grammars would say that it has a KH or almost a CH sound, kind of like chet. So they would pronounce it with a ch sound. Other grammars just say it's going to be a K, the same as a calf with a dagesh, and they would just say it's a K as in keep. So check your grammar out. Many modern grammars just make the K the same whether it's got a dagesh dot or not. So with a dot, without a dot, it's going to have the same pronunciation. And that will depend on your grammar. So that is the calf.